Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and today I'm going to show you how to change the combination on a word lock. So that would be a lock with letters instead of numbers, and this lock is specific for traveling because it's got our little TSA logo there. It's got a keyhole at the bottom that the TSA agent would use to open your lock so they don't have to break it. And my lock is actually set with the word trip. So when you buy this lock, it will come with a word. I can't remember what my word was, but I set it to trip. So I'm going to show you how to change that. So what you want to do is open your lock, and you will want to press down. So you want to think of a good word that you're going to remember. So you can see there's some spring in this lock. You want to press down on that. Press it down while you're changing. So I'm going to actually change mine to boat. Just because we're going to be going on a boat, and that will remind me of what my secret code is. Okay, so there we go, boat. And now you'll be able to, you can hear that it kind of clicked up like that. And then you click it shut, and you can't open it now. So I'm going to set it back to trip again. By doing that, I go back to boat. You're looking for these little arrows right here. B-O-A-T, opens. And I'm going to press it down, hold it in a quarter turn, press it down. So it's a quarter turn, just like with the number ones. And we're going to turn it back to trip, T-R. Where's my I? There it is. T-R-I-P, there you go. Back to the original locked. Hope that helped you out. Please give my video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss out on any upcoming videos.